The start of 2025 brought a terrifying sight to the Los Angeles landscape, a city known for its glitz and glamour now shrouded in a thick veil of smoke and ash. Massive wildfires tearing through thousands of acres, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The flames, relentless and unforgiving, consumed everything in their path. Two major fires, the Palisades Fire and the Eaton Fire, erupted in early January, catching residents off guard and spreading rapidly due to the dry conditions. The Palisades Fire scorched its way through the iconic hills near Pacific Palisades and Malibu, areas known for their natural beauty and affluent communities. The Eaton Fire raged across the foothills near Altadena and Pasadena, turning serene landscapes into fiery infernos. These fires, fueled by unusually dry conditions and strong winds, quickly grew to monstrous sizes, making containment efforts extremely challenging for firefighters. The Palisades Fire alone consumed over 24,000 acres, leaving behind a charred and desolate landscape, while the Eaton Fire blackened over 14,000 acres, transforming vibrant ecosystems into barren wastelands. Thousands of homes and businesses were reduced to smoldering rubble, leaving countless families and business owners devastated. The fires forced widespread evacuations, displacing tens of thousands of residents who had to leave behind their homes and belongings, unsure of what they would return to. Tragically, the infernos claimed the lives of at least 10 people, each loss a heartbreaking reminder of the fire's deadly reach. The fires burned for weeks, leaving behind a trail of devastation and a community grappling with loss and uncertainty. The emotional and psychological toll on the residents was immense. The Los Angeles fires served as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature and the importance of preparedness in the face of disaster. As the city began to rebuild, the lessons learned from this catastrophe would shape its future resilience. The recent wildfires in Los Angeles were not merely unfortunate events. They were catastrophic occurrences that left a lasting impact on the region. They were the result of a dangerous convergence of environmental factors, exacerbated by the ongoing climate crisis. Southern California had been experiencing an unusually dry period since October 2024, leaving vegetation tinder dry and primed for ignition. The lack of rainfall created a severe drought, making the region highly susceptible to wildfires. This drought-stricken landscape became a tinderbox, ready to ignite with the slightest spark. The dry grasslands and parched vegetation were like kindling, waiting for a trigger. Strong winds, gusting up to 100 miles per hour, transformed the fires into unstoppable infernos. These powerful gusts acted like bellows, fanning the flames and spreading them rapidly. The winds carried embers for miles, sparking new blazes far from the original fire lines. These flying embers created spot fires, making containment efforts even more challenging. These high winds also hampered firefighting efforts, grounding aircraft and pushing the flames rapidly across the terrain. Firefighters on the ground faced immense difficulties as the wind-driven flames moved unpredictably. The combination of drought and powerful winds created the perfect conditions for the devastating wildfires that ravaged Los Angeles. This perfect storm of environmental factors led to one of the most destructive wildfire seasons in recent history, leaving behind a trail of destruction and loss. As the fires raged, another danger emerged, a wildfire of misinformation spreading online. Social media platforms became breeding grounds for false narratives and misleading content. Images and videos, often manipulated or entirely fabricated, circulated widely, sowing confusion and fear. Some of this content was generated using artificial intelligence. AI-powered tools can now create incredibly realistic images and videos, making it harder than ever to distinguish fact from fiction. These fabricated images and videos, often designed to attract clicks and shares, spread panic and hampered relief efforts. The spread of misinformation during the Los Angeles fires highlighted the urgent need for critical thinking and reliance on verified sources. In the chaos and fear following the fires, a number of conspiracy theories took root online. Some claimed that the fires were not natural disasters, but were deliberately set. These theories ranged from accusations of arson to outlandish claims involving UFOs. One theory linked the fires to recent UFO sightings in New Jersey, suggesting an improbable connection between extraterrestrial activity and the California blazes. Another theory claimed that the fires were part of a sinister plan to clear land for a new smart city in the Los Angeles area. These theories, while lacking any credible evidence, gained traction online, fueled by fear and uncertainty. It is crucial to approach such claims with skepticism and to rely on verified information from reputable sources. The Los Angeles wildfires left an indelible scar on the community. Beyond the physical devastation, the fires inflicted a heavy toll on the human spirit. Thousands of residents lost their homes and businesses, their lives upended by the disaster. The fires also took a toll on first responders. Firefighters, many working tirelessly for days on end, faced exhaustion and hazardous conditions as they battled the blazes. The emotional and psychological impact of the fires on both residents and first responders will likely be felt for years to come. The fires underscored the importance of community support and the need for mental health resources in the aftermath of such traumatic events. Section 6. Battling back heroic efforts against an unrelenting blaze. Despite the overwhelming challenges, firefighters and first responders demonstrated incredible courage and resilience in battling the Los Angeles wildfires. Working tirelessly in dangerous conditions, they risked their lives to protect lives and property. Firefighters from across California and other states rushed to assist in the effort, demonstrating the strength of solidarity in times of crisis. The community rallied around its heroes, providing meals, shelter, and support to those on the front lines. While the fires caused immense destruction, the heroic efforts of firefighters and the outpouring of support from the community offered a glimmer of hope amidst the devastation. Section 7. Learning from the ashes, climate change, and the future of wildfires. The devastating wildfires in Los Angeles serve as a stark warning about the growing threat of climate change. Scientists have long warned that climate change will lead to more frequent and intense wildfires. Rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, and changes in weather patterns create conditions ripe for wildfires. The Los Angeles fires underscore the urgent need to address climate change through emissions reductions and other mitigation measures. We must also prioritize forest management practices that reduce wildfire risk, such as controlled burns and the removal of dead vegetation. Ignoring the link between climate change and wildfires will only lead to more catastrophic events in the future. Section 8. Navigating the Information Inferno, the importance of verified sources. The spread of misinformation during the Los Angeles fires highlighted the crucial importance of relying on verified sources for information. During crises, the rapid dissemination of false information can lead to panic, confusion, and even dangerous actions. It is essential to understand the impact that misinformation can have on public safety and trust. In the digital age, where information spreads at lightning speed, it is more important than ever to be discerning consumers of news. Social media platforms, while useful for staying connected, can also be breeding grounds for rumors and falsehoods. The sheer volume of information available can be overwhelming, making it difficult to distinguish between what is true and what is not. Stick to reputable news organizations, government agencies, and official sources of information. These entities have established protocols for verifying facts before disseminating them to the public. Trustworthy sources are committed to providing accurate and timely information, which is crucial during emergencies. Be wary of sensationalized headlines and emotionally charged content, which are often designed to attract clicks rather than convey accurate information. Such content can manipulate emotions and cloud judgment, leading to the spread of misinformation. Cross-reference information from multiple sources to ensure its accuracy. By comparing reports from different outlets, you can get a more comprehensive understanding of the situation. This practice helps to filter out biases and provides a clearer picture of the facts. By being critical thinkers and relying on verified sources, we can help to combat the spread of misinformation and ensure that accurate information reaches those who need it most. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of media literacy is a vital step in fostering a well-informed society. Remember, the responsibility of curbing misinformation lies with each one of us. Section 9. Hope amidst the ruins, a community rebuilds. While the scars of the Los Angeles wildfires will remain for years to come, the spirit of the community remains unbroken. In the aftermath of the disaster, residents came together to support one another, offering assistance, comfort, and hope. The process of rebuilding will be long and challenging, but the resilience and determination of the people of Los Angeles will see them through. The fires served as a reminder of the preciousness of life and the importance of community. From the ashes of destruction, a renewed sense of hope and solidarity will emerge. The Los Angeles community will rebuild, stronger and more united than ever before.